Franz.
And I'm Charie.
In today's vlog, we'll be doing a DIY plant pot painting.
You know, medyo random siya, pero since gusto namin siyang i-try on our own, gusto namin ma-share sa inyo.
Since we are in quarantine, marami sa atin ang napahilig sa pag-aalaga ng mga halaman.
At naging certified plantita. That's why naging mas mabenta ang mga plants and pots. And yung mother ko naman, super hilig niya na din talaga ang gardening. Kaya madami siyang plants and syempre mga pots. Though most of them medyo luma na. Kaya naisip namin na i-paint to para mas bumagay yung plants indoor.
Disclaimer lang po, first time lang namin ito itatry. So please bear with us kung mayroon mang naging mali sa procedure.
So before we proceed, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to get notified on our latest uploads.
Let's get started! So here are the old pots that we're going to paint.
So for our first step is cleaning the pots. Since we're going to use old pots, nilinis namin muna to para ma-prepare siya for painting. As you can see, malumot na tsaka madami na siyang dumi. Important din na matuyo siya totally after nyo linisin.
Trying hard but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end.
For our second step, sanding. After matuyo ng ayos ang mga pots, sinand namin to para ma-sure nakakapit yung paint, tsaka para mas smooth yung area na pagpipinturahan.
Make sure lang din na mag-mask kayo habang nagsasand para hindi nyo malanghap ang mga alikabok. And gloves para ma-protect ang hands nyo.
Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna.
Pinunasan din namin after isand para ma-remove yung mga excess dirt.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can.
Third step, painting the first coat. Naglipat lang kami sa isang container ng enough na white paint and dinagdagan din namin ng counting water based on the instruction. You may use a primer if you want.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first.
Fourth step, outlining. Before kami nag-second coat, naglagay muna kami ng outline para magsilbing guide sa design na gusto namin gawin. As you can see, nagdo-drawing lang kami ng straight line kasi spray paint ang gagamitin namin. May mga naging pagbabago din sa plan namin design along the way.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride to. If you don't.
Tip nga pala, if you want some ideas for the design, you may check Pinterest. Ito nga pala yung sample ng board na mga na-save ko. Fifth step, placing of masking tape. After makapag-outline, nilagyan na namin ng masking tape yung mga areas na ayaw naming mabago ang kulay.
Here we go again. Trying hard but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't.
Kung spray paint ang gagamitin nyo, make sure na i-shake nyo munang mabuti and testingin muna bago gamitin sa pots. But first, let's shake the spray paint.
After nyo makapaglagay ng second coat, make sure din na ibilad nyo muna sa araw for a few hours bago i-remove ang tape. It would depend sa design nyo kung paano nyo madidiskartehan yung pagpipaint. Sa pagdami ng design na gusto nyo, syempre sa paghirap. Pero worth it naman siya.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, I can help you out, I can help you out.
And for the last step is removing of the tape.
Mahalaga din na dahan-dahan yung tanggalin yung tape para hindi ma-damage yung mga napintahan nyo na.
Here we go again. Trying hard but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again.
And now, for the grand reveal.
We're going to show you the before and after of our DIY plant pots.
That's all for our DIY plant pot painting.
We hope na may natutunan kayo sa video na ito.
Thanks for watching!
Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell to get notified on our latest uploads.